Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Panasonic brand 7 kg top loading washing machine. It is machine totally dead while we are giving power. Machine not turn it on, because of that we collected to the workshop. Now I have to check what is the exactly problem. First of all, we have to check the power connection cable, 230 220 power supply or not. After that, we have to check the main control board. Everything we have to check. We have to A to Z. We have to troubleshoot the problem. Now we will go to the next step. Now already I given power connection, but it's nothing happen. It's not turning on. Because of that, now we have to remove the top cover. First, we will check the continuity, the fuse. This one we have to check first if it is any problem or not. We will remove the fuse. You can see here the fuse is okay, no any problem. Now we will remove the top cover here, back of the two screws. Now what I'm going to do, now I will check the cable continuity. Now we can take like that here. Now I will remove the power supply cable here. And this is the power supply cable. Now I'm going to check the cable. It is okay. Also cable, no any issue. Now I will give the power again here. Also now I will give the power connection and I will check the power. You can see here the power already supplying 230 here. No issue. We will give the connection again. Now I can check here power supplying or not. You can see here it is power already supplying, no problem. Now I will refix again. Problem, actually power already supplying to the from here to there. Now I have to remove the power control box here, the main control board. We will remove here two screws and we will remove the drawer. Now I can take it out here like that. Now here all the harness we have to release. We have to remove harness. When I release all the harness, now we have to take it out. Control board. We will remove here lock. Now I release. I remove already here. Also display I can remove like that. Now this is the board here, cockroaches gone already, and we will remove, we will take it out, control board. See here, here is cockroaches are gone already here. Still having cockroach too much inside. See, see. So, this is membrane actually. We have to remove and check. Here this machine actually having too much cockroaches, and here I think it is already got shorted. Now I am going to clean the control board because the cockroaches already came here. It is might they shorted, but anyway it is too much dirty. I will clean with the cleaner. Now we will give the power connection temporary, and we will check whether it will start or not. Give him a connection here. Display connections. Also here all the connections I have to give. Okay, now I already given connections. I will give the power again. I given power connection here, and this is the power start button here. Machine not power starting. Not starting. Now the problem with the main control board only. Now what I'm going to do, I will replace the new control board and we will check. And I have to disconnect the power again. And I will remove the connections again. Now I having a new control board here. This is the new one. And I will fix this control board and we will check. And again I will temporarily I will give like that all the connections here. Now I already given all the connections for the new PCB. Also I given power also. And now I have to fix this one display. Now see, now I will give the power connection again. Also, now I'm going to select direct spin cycle. Here, this is direct spin. Here, actually, I didn't fix the control panel. Now I will start the machine. Here, you can see here, door already lock. Drain pump already start now. The motor will start. Yes, motor already got start. Now we know problem with the main control board. After replacing new main control board, machine will start now. Machine is running. We can stop, start, whatever the selection we can do. Now I have to refix panel, control board, everything. After that I will show you again. Yes, you can see now spinning cycle, spin cycle working. Now I completed my job. I already fixed new panel, control board to the panel. Now I will start again. I given power. Also I will start as same before, direct spin cycle, and we will start the machine. Door already got lock here. Then drain pump also start, and still motor not start. That means drum not rotating. It will start within few seconds. My job already completed. If it is having problem as same, you have to check main control board. If it is totally dead, now I already replaced the main control board and machine is working fine. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.